Hey guys, what's going on? It's like Christmas morning here for me. We got some parts from Precision Racing Suspension, PRS. We got the front shocks, we got the rear shocks, and here's the box. Let's do some unboxing. Let's take a look and see what we got. So, Precision Racing Suspension is a company that works with Penske, works with different brands of shocks, but basically what they do is they tailor your shocks to your needs. Some shirts too. So it's kind of a program where, you know, they tailor your shocks to the application that you're doing. You know, when you're doing something like this professionally, like drag racing, you want the shock to be tailored to whatever you're doing. And what I mean with that, you go to Penske or you go to somebody or a manufacturer and you buy a set of shocks, the valving is not going to be tailored for what you're doing. So my car is obviously a drag car. It's a radial car. You know, it's light. It's not like it used to be. So these guys, they look at what you're doing, they be part of your program, and they get you a set of shocks to what the car needs to do. So I sent them my front shocks. These are my front shocks. These are Penske 7500. They got them revolved because now the car is 4-link. We wanted the fronts to be a little stiffer. So those are the fronts. Oh, this is the nice one. Oh, look at that. Penske 6780. Look at this thing. So these are 4-way adjustable. So you have the black knob there is a, I believe, high-speed compression. The silver knob is a low-speed compression. Then you have this Allen here is rebound, and this here is on and off rebound. So there's an eyelet that goes here where you feed air, and you make these where you can put air into the system. You put CO2 into this eyelet and the rebound changes from one setting to the other. So you got the one setting and then the second setting. The benefit for that is, you know, you can change the rebound setting down the track. So you can have it stiff when you launch and you have it kind of softer later. So when you go on down track, you start applying power to it. You can have a softer rebound, so the car will separate a little more. You got helper springs. These require no tension, so that way the car is going to sit really low. Yeah, they changed the bearings up there, so you don't have inserts. So when you take your shocks off, not everything falls down. We got new springs. Got the remote canister. Beautiful piece. You got the high pressure mag valve because these shocks will take 250 psi. Just to give you an idea of the extent of testing that they did, I won't show you the details, but look how many graphs they sent me. They sent me all the graphs of whatever these shocks do with different settings. Go check out Precision Racing Suspension. I'll leave the link below. Thank you very much, Tim. Thank you for the amazing product. Can't wait to work with you guys and get these things on the car. Take care.